My dad hates cats, so I got a kitten.
We're not a cat family. We're not a sharing family.
Let me tell you about my best friend.
Put your hands up. Under arrest.
Han säger, jo, jag blir med i natten, hade hon inte kallat mig.
Y'all know how much I hate cats.